Hi, Lam.
Hi, teacher.
Good morning. It's wonderful to see you again. How are you now?
I'm fine.
Did you just wake up, Lam?
Yes.
Oh, I see. Why did you sleep late? Did you sleep
Yeah,
late? Oh my gosh. Why? What did you do last night?
because I drink bubble tea.
Oh, okay. So that's why you slept late. I see. And did you eat your breakfast?
Yeah, yes already.
Okay, good thing. Do you have any plans today, Lam? What will you do in the afternoon? Are you going somewhere?
No,
Oh no, you're just going to stay at home? I would um I'm expecting that you would say maybe you'll swim with your family.
yeah.
Okay, so now let me share my screen, Lam, and for today we will continue our discussion. But of course, let us have your homework first. Okay, can you tell me who helped you in answering this homework, Lam? Did your mom help you?
What did you say?
Did your mom help
No,
you in answering? Okay,
no.
no, that's good. Okay, so now let us check. Okay, so Jack plays basketball after school. Okay, that is correct. Now they read books. Okay, in the library. My sister bakes cookies on Sundays. We eat. Okay, does she like? Okay, very good. But why is it S lang or E? Is it S or E? Okay,
Uh,
is that? It's just like, right? Because we have
mm,
does. Okay, because it looks like S. See, it's like this. Okay, so it's E. Does she like chocolate ice cream? Now, cats sleep. Okay, yes, sleep. Just sleep, not sleeps. I. What is this, lamb? Don't. I can see it clearly, Lam. Is it
don't.
don't? Okay, yes. Okay, I don't drink coffee in the evening. The train leave. Is it leave, Lam? We have here train. When we say train, Lam, how many are we referring to? Train. How many are we referring to? Can you tell me? Train, it means
I know, teacher.
when we say train, it's only one, right? It's only one,
Yeah.
right, Lam? Okay, so in here, are we going to use leave or leaves? What is the answer here, Lam? Is it leave or leaves?
Uh,
What do you think?
mm,
What is your answer, Lam? See, we have the train. The train is only one. So, what are we going to use? Is it leave or leaves?
uh,
Do you think?
I'm no teacher.
You don't know? Can you try to guess then? We only have
No,
two options. No, why not? You should give it a try, Lam. Okay, is it
but
leaf
I
or
don't
leaves?
know what it is.
Okay, but you were able to answer 1 to 7 correctly, Lam. I thought you know the rule. Okay, so now the train, of course, it's only one. So we'll use leaves. Okay, we're going to add S here, Lam. Remember, if it's only one, Lam, you're going to add S or ES. All right?
Yeah,
Okay, now he drive. Okay, is it he drive, Lam? He. Our
drive.
subject he, she is.
It has to be drive.
Okay, yeah. He, she, it. It should be drives. Drives. Okay. Bees makes honey. Now, bees lang. When we say bees, how many bees are there? How many bees are there? We're talking about one bee or a lot.
La.
Yes, a lot. That's why we have bees, okay? The singular form of it, lamb, is just bee, but in here, we're referring to more than one, okay? So are we going to use make or makes? Make or makes?
Mix.
Why is it makes, lamb? We have bees as
Make.
our subject. Okay, yes. Make. Okay. Remember, if it's a lot lang, two or more subjects, we're going to use the base form of the verb. We are not going to add S or ES to the verb. Okay, make. Just make.
Make.
Okay, let me write it for you. Okay, bees make honey. Now, she, okay, yes, very good. This one is correct. She watches TV before dinner. Do you always bring your lunch? He never, okay, he never remember or remembers.
Remembers.
Okay, yes, remembers, lamb, because it's he. Okay, the moon shines at night. Okay, they visit their friends often. I don't eat meat. Birds fly in the sky. My mom teaches math at school. Flowers bloom in spring, and we walk to school every day. Okay, see, you're able to answer all of it except for item 8, 9, and 10, Lam. Okay, so again, can you tell me if our subject is only one, Lam, what verb are we going to use? Like for example, he, she, and it. What verb are we going to use?
It
What?
is. It
Uh,
is it.
uh, Okay, like for example, these are our subjects, Lam. What verb are we going to use? Is it play, plays, or played? Present simple tense, Lam. Okay, can you tell me? He plays, or he played?
Yes.
What is your answer, Lam?
He plays.
Okay, yes, he plays very good. Okay, so you have to remember that. Okay, just like in here, the train. Train is only one, so we'll use leaves. Okay, he drives. But in here we have bees. Okay, so bees, of course, we will not use makes here because it is plural. We have to use the base form, which is make. Okay. Bees make honey. Okay, do you get it now, Lam? Lam?
Uh,
Do you get it now?
yes.
Okay, thank you. So now we'll proceed to your grammar book. Let me share it. Okay, so we are already in, wait, page 53. Okay, so we are already in this one here, Lam. Okay, so we have here questions and short answers. Do I go? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Do you go? Yes, you do. No, you don't. Does he go? Yes, he does. No, she doesn't. Does she go? Yes, she does. No, it does. No, she doesn't. Does it go? Yes, it does. No, it doesn't. Do we go? Yes, we do. No, we don't. Do you go? Yes, we do. No, we don't. And do they go? Yes, they do. And no, they don't. Okay, so you just have to be careful with the question word, lam. Like, for example, do I? Of course, the answer would be yes or no, I do or I don't. Okay, so you have to be careful with that. Now let us practice. Okay, so we have here complete the sentences with the missing words. Do you play basketball? Yes, I do. I play at school. Now, what about for one lam? Can you answer it using the question and short answers?
What is a teacher?
In here, Lam, you have to complete the sentences with the missing words. Okay, you have to complete the question and short answers. Like for example, do you play basketball? Yes, I do. I play at school. Now it is your turn to answer 1 to 5, Lam.
Okay.
Okay. What is your answer?
Do is it does? Is
Okay,
it does that?
does. Mm-hmm. Okay, does Rob walk to school?
Does
No, he does. We have no lam. We only say does if it is positive lam. Yes, she does. Yes, he does. But in here we have no. So we have to negate it. No, he. No, he.
uh oh
No,
not
he. Look at the
um
question word. No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't. Lam, okay. He goes by train. You have to look at the question word, Lam. See in here, it starts with does. Okay, of course. In here, since it's no, we will say no, he doesn't, not no, he does. Because we only use the short answer does if it is a positive answer like yes he does, okay, which means he um he did it. Okay, now let us have two. Blank, you want to have lunch now? Blank, you want to have lunch now?
uh
What do you think?
do do you want to have lunch now?
Okay, very good. Do you want to have lunch now? Yes. Yes.
Yes. I do.
Okay, very good. Yes, I do. Good idea. Now, let us have three. What is your answer for three, Lam?
Uh, can you help me because I look at this and I'm really not.
Okay. So our subject right here is the post office. When we say post office, how many is that? How many is that, Lam? When we say post office, is that one or two or more?
Two more.
Two or more, but we have office, not offices. So what do you think? We have office, Lam, not offices.
Office.
Okay. Office, right? Which means it's only one. The plural form of it, Lam, it's offices. Okay, so in here we are going to use what? Do or does? Do or does?
The
Okay. Does the post office open on Sundays? No.
I don't. No.
No, it. Does the post office open on Sundays? No, it. No, it. No, it.
I don't know.
How do we negate the word does, Lam? Just like what we did earlier. You're able to answer it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what is the answer here? Just like the other one. Does Rob walk to school? No, he doesn't. He goes by train. Now, what about in here? What do you think is the answer here?
No. No. I don't
No,
know,
it.
teacher.
No, it. Is it don't or doesn't? Is it don't or doesn't?
Don't.
Why is it don't, Lam?
Doesn't.
Okay, we will use doesn't. See, earlier, I told you to look at the question word so you will be guided, Lam. If it if the question starts with does, you will say yes, it does. Same as in here. Okay, yes, it does. But if it starts with no, you will pair it with no, it doesn't. Okay, you have to negate. Okay, now, if the question word starts with do you play basketball? Your answer would be yes, I do, or no, I don't. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, now let us continue with four. Four, Lam. Blank. Your parents like pop music? Yes, they blank.
Um. Do does I
Do,
mean this.
yes, we have
Do your
parents, Lam, which means we're
parents
referring to your mom and dad. Okay, do your parents like pop music? Yes, they. Yes, they.
does
Why is it the Lam? Our question word starts with do.
do
Okay, yes, it's yes, they do. Always look,
forgot.
yes, okay, just okay, always look at the question word, all right? So, yes, they do because the question word starts with do. But if it's no, okay, so no, they don't. That's just how you do it, Lam. Now, last one, five, Lam. Five.
uh, does Tom like coffee? No, he
Okay, very good.
doesn't.
Very good. Okay. Does Tom like coffee? No, he doesn't. He hates it. Very good. See, you're able to answer it now, Lam. Now let us proceed to activity 10. I want you to complete the questions and answer and write answers. So, now, for example, do you like pasta? Yes, I do, or no, I don't. Okay, so you have to answer it after that. Now, can you answer the first one, Lam?
Hmm?
Can you answer
Uh,
the first one?
I think yes. Let me try.
Okay.
You and your no.
Is it do or does?
Do you and your friends send
Very good.
text messages?
Okay. Do you and your friends send text messages? Okay. Can you answer this one, Lam? Do you and your friends send text messages? Yes or yes, I do, or no, I yes, we do, or no, we don't.
Mm,
What is your answer here, Lam? Okay, we'll answer that one
does your
later.
dad make your dinner?
Okay, very good. Does your dad not makes, okay?
Yeah.
Does your dad make your dinner? Okay, now what about for three? What about three, Lam?
Do you play the piano?
Okay, very good. Do you play the piano? Okay, what about for four?
Does your mother work in a office?
Okay, very good, Lam. Does your mother work in an office? Okay, now what about for five?
Do your grandparents
Continue lang.
live live Teacher, I
near.
can't see it.
Oh, you can see it. Wait. Sorry lang, because I'm writing your answer. Okay, do your grandparents live near you? Okay, now number 6. Six.
Do we have science on Tuesdays?
Okay, very good. Do we have science on Tuesday? Okay, so now, Lam, let us answer these questions. Okay, I want you to answer it. Okay, do you like pasta, Lam?
Yes,
Yes.
I do.
Okay, very good. Now, do you and your friends text messages?
Yes,
Yes.
yes,
What is your answer? Yes.
yes, I do. No,
Is it yes, I do? But it's you and your friends, so it's we.
yes, we do.
Okay, does your dad make your dinner? Does your dad make your dinner?
Yes, she do.
Yes, he do.
Yes,
Yes, he does, Lam. Yes, he does. Always look at the question word, Lam. Okay, now next one. Do you play the piano?
yes. No, no, I don't.
Okay. Does your mother work in an office?
Yes, she does.
Okay, yes, she does. Do your grandparents live near you? Do your grandparents live near you?
No, don't.
What, Lam? Is it yes or no?
No, I don't.
No, they
No,
don't. Okay, no, they don't. Okay, now do we have a science on Tuesdays? Do we have science on Tuesdays, Lam?
uh, I don't know because sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Oh, okay. But our class, Lam, we don't have science, right? We focus on
Yeah.
English. So it, no, we don't. Again, do we have science on Tuesdays?
Mm, yes.
No, we don't. Okay. No, we don't have science on Tuesdays, Lam. We only have English. Okay, so now let us have this one, Lam. Look at the picture, listen and answer the questions. Okay, let us listen to the audio, Lam.
11.6.
Does he like the soup?
1,
Does he like the soup, Lam?
Yes,
Does
he
he?
do.
Okay, yes, he does. Does he like the soup? Yes, he does. Okay, let us have one now.
Do they want to see the film?
2,
Do they want to
Does the,
see? Do they want to see the film, Lam?
Um,
Look at
um,
one. Do they want to see the film? Do they want to see?
Teacher, I can't see it.
Oh, you
Where's
can
the
see it?
teacher?
Wait. Okay, so we will listen to it again, Lam. Remember, we are already in this lesson right here, okay?
Oh, I see it.
Okay, so you have to listen to the audio, Lam, and you have to answer the questions. Like for example, does he like the soup? Okay, the question here is, does he like the soup? So you would say, yes, he does, because we can see he is smiling and enjoying his soup. Okay, let us listen again.
11.6.
Does he like the soup?
1,
Do they want to see the film?
Do they want to see the film, Lam?
Yes.
Do they want to see the film?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, they.
No.
Do they want to see the film? Yes, they do. Okay. Yes, they do. Now let us continue to item 2.
2,
Does the television work?
Does the television work?
No.
No.
No. No.
No, it
Does.
doesn't. No, it doesn't. Remember, Lam, the question word is does. Does the television work? No, it doesn't. Okay. Now, 3.
3,
Do you and your friends like dancing?
Do you and your friends like dancing? Do you and your friends like dancing, Lam?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, we do.
Okay, very good. For now,
4,
Does she understand?
does she understand, Lam? Does she understand?
No.
Okay, no,
She.
no, no, she.
Uh,
No, she. Does she understand? No,
don't.
she. No, she don't. But the question word starts with does, Lam. Does she understand? Does she
Yes,
understand?
she.
No,
Yes.
no, she. How do we negate does, Lam? How do we negate does? No, she.
No.
No, she doesn't.
Yes.
Okay, again, does she understand? Does she understand, Lam?
Yes.
Is it yes,
Um.
Lam? Look at picture 4. Can you tell me, does she understand? Does she understand the sign?
No.
No,
She don't.
not no, she don't, Lam. No, she doesn't. No, she doesn't. The question, Lam, starts with do. So you have to say doesn't, not don't, because it doesn't start with do. Okay?
Yeah.
Next one.
4,
Okay, wait.
Does she understand?
5,
Do they walk to school?
Okay, do they walk to school? Look at picture 5. Do they walk to school?
Huh?
Do they walk to school?
No, they don't.
Okay, very good. No, they don't.
6.
Do you like reading?
Do you like reading?
Yes, I do.
Okay, yes, I do. Now let us have the next one. Okay, so let us have this. I want you to listen and match the words with pictures, okay? Listen and match it, Lam. Okay, let us start.
11.7.
Tony is a
The
postman. He works from 6 to 3. He walks and drives around the town and brings my post to me.
Oh, Tony, he works very hard. He drives for miles and miles. But when he sees us in the street, he always waves and smiles.
Tony gets up early and puts on his postman's hat. He eats his breakfast quickly and feeds his dog and cat. Oh, Tony, he works very hard. He drives for miles and miles. Oh, Tony, he works very hard. He drives for miles and miles.
Tony doesn't like the rain. He stays inside his van. But when the sun shines, Tony smiles. He is a happy man.
Oh, Tony, he works very hard. He drives for miles and miles. Oh, Tony, he works very hard. He drives for miles and miles. Oh, Tony, he works very hard. He drives for miles and miles. Oh, Tony, he works very hard. He drives for miles and miles.
Teacher, why is so loud?
Okay, yes, because it is a singing activity, Lam. And now you have to match it. Okay, now we have here the first one. Okay, Tony is a postman. He works from 6 to 3. He walks and drives around the town and brings my post to me. Okay, so which picture shows this one? Match the words with the pictures. Wait. Match. I want you to match the words with the
Hãy
pictures.
ghép các từ với các hình ảnh tương ứng.
Okay, can you do that? Okay, so Tony is a postman. He works from 6 to 3. He walks and drives around the town and brings my post to me. Okay, which picture shows that, Lam? Which picture shows that?
Teacher,
What is the correct picture, Lam?
teacher,
Okay,
I
it
see it too
is.
small.
It's too small. You can see it. You can see it,
Yeah.
Lam. Okay, wait. Oh, I can't full. Wait. Oh, I can't do the full screen, Lam. I